Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Super Jace and I'm back with another video. Okay, first of all, let's address this lighting. Are you joking? I look so pretty. But actually I can't see myself because the light is so bright in my room. I'm actually starting to sweat a little, but it's cool because I look like a snack. My hair, I just washed it. It's looking like a hot mess. I really don't like it. I don't know. There's something about it that just is not like setting right. Anyways, it's a Saturday and I literally have nothing to do. Well, that's a lie. I do have a lot of stuff to do. Like I have an essay to write, which is fun. But I was like, you know what? Why not film a video? Because I feel like filming a video. And what? I didn't know what to do, so I decided, you know, why not do like a little makeup tutorial? Because I kind of want to like look cute. Like I want to do my makeup. I feel like looking like a snack, even though I did look like a snack without makeup. But yeah, I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long, and people have been asking for me to do a makeup tutorial, so I was like, you know what, why not? So yeah, I took off my glasses because I need to start my, I have a pimple growing. Are you joking? So first, I think we're gonna start with the eyebrows, which I can't do on camera, sorry, but like it takes me forever to do my eyebrows. And also I'm gonna prime my face, so we're gonna do that. And we're also gonna like carve out the eyebrows so they look cute. Now that we got my eyebrows done, they look pretty bad, but it's okay, we're moving on. You see that? That's when you know a brush is dirty. Now we're moving on to the eyes. So I'm gonna use this cheap one that I always use. I know it's from Amazon, it's super cheap and it smells like a lot of chemicals, but there's some colors that I really love to use. Oh my goodness, it looks so freaking gorgeous in this light. Anyways, so we're gonna use this bright red first and just put that on in the crease. So, and because this is super cheap, you can like, it looks super bright, but like in the eyes, like, and it's like super chalky and gross and disgusting. I saw this one post on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, that's so pretty. I don't have the colors to recreate it, but I'm gonna try. And it was so freaking gorgeous. I'm gonna get a sunburn. I forgot to put sunblock on. Oh well, sue me. I look freaking good in this lighting, so it don't matter. I mean, this is a pretty simple look, I feel like. I mean, it's not like subtle. Cause I don't do subtle. Subtle is not in my name. I'm not called Subtle Sylvia. Oh my god, so many people told me that my last video was so sad and that they couldn't watch it because, oh no, it was so sad they couldn't watch it because it was just so sad. And I was like, ooh. I hate talking about politics because number one, I'm so uneducated on everything that happens, and I don't know, I just can't do it. I get too emotional. I'm a very emotional person. I can't like reason stuff out with people. I just can't do that kind of stuff. I'm so excited, it's fall, and you know what fall means? It means pumpkin pie, and I freaking love pumpkin pie with a passion. Pumpkin pie is literally my favorite food in the entire world. Fall is such a great time of the year. Okay, so now I'm gonna use that one to go in this part right here, just on my crease, like the inner part of my crease. Oh my goodness, this mirror is so dirty. This palette is like crazy, like it has so much, what is it called? The excess powder. I love makeup, man. Makeup is so much fun. Like, are you joking? I'm not even going out. Today is like homecoming dance, and I had no one to go with. But I had like such a cute outfit, and like I had everything all like planned out. But like all my friends canceled, so I couldn't go. Now I'm gonna go in with this Tarte lip palette and use Funny Girl. Oh my god, this is literally like such a good, like this is my favorite sparkly shade in the entire world because it's like are you joking? I'm not flicking you guys off, but like look at that. What? I know. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know why I'm looking like such a snack. If I'm just, today's my aunt's birthday, so that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. I should have saved this look for like another day where I'm like actually going out. Okay, well, there you go. Those are the eyes. I'm done with the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Actually, I'm gonna go with my BB cream because literally I love this so much. This is, and plus I suck at matching, and like literally like I don't even know what color I am right now. So this is the closest I'm gonna get. So I'm just gonna apply this and then I'll be back. Okay, now that I'm done putting it on, I know you can barely tell, but it's a BB cream, so it's not that much. And plus I turn my hair up, sorry. I'm gonna go in with my NARS concealer. I literally use the same products all the time, so I don't know why I keep saying them like over and over again, because I'm cheap and don't have that much money. This is literally the best concealer I've ever used. It's so full coverage and it's not cakey. It blends right into the skin, like, do you see that? Oh my goodness. And it gets rid of my bag. Now I'm gonna do my powder. Ooh, I'm so bad at doing makeup tutorials, I'm sorry. Like I'm really bad at doing this. Okay, now that I'm done putting on my powders, now I'm looking like a matte goddess. Now I'm gonna apply highlight. And oh my god, girl, I'm gonna go ham. So first I'm gonna spread this. Just where it went. Okay, then I'm gonna use Summer from my, of course, Scented Glow Kit. I'm gonna pack that on. I need a mirror. Oh my goodness gracious. Do you see that? Am I the only one seeing that? I don't think I am. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Oh. This literally shakes me through the core every single time. I'm actually speechless. This leaves me speechless all the time. Okay, now just a little bit on the nose, a bit on the bridge. People do it over here, don't know why. I'll get to the chin. Right here. Oh my goodness! Wow. Ow, I got my hair stuck. Ah. Okay. Now that we're done with that, now it's on to mascara. I'm gonna use this. Oh my god, you can't even see it. Maybelline Pumped Up. I don't know. I don't know. I just. It makes such an ugly mascara face. Oh my god. Alright, well, there you go. Ooh. I'm not gonna put any setting spray yet, but look at it. Also, I got this fan. Isn't it cute? Okay. Okay, well, this is the final look. Hold up. Let me put my hair down. I've been really trying, baby. Trying to hold. Oh my goodness. Are you joking? It looks so fucking gorgeous. Hold on. I got this fan at the wedding. Remember that wedding vlog? Yeah, I got it there. Just like when I lost my charger and my portable charger, but you know what? It's fine. It's cool. I wish I could see myself, you know what I mean? I want to put my glasses back on because I look like such a snack without glasses. I mean, I look like a snack with glasses too. Anyways, oh my god, I'm just rambling. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you want to see more, or like tell me if you know me in person. If you want to see more makeup tutorials, because I love doing them. They make me so happy that people like to actually like my makeup. So yeah, okay, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.